Thank you for joining my live video this morning, and I'm here. Okay, let me make this go. Hey, Mimi. So what look at when you so
I mean, the move out. What was it? Martin, you go, man.
no, where am I?
I don't know. I did go back from here. That yeah, looking for anonymous ice fish at 3,000. Came out to name me to 8 for her.
Where are they taking it to?
I'm going to Benny Links Park.
Number you name how much tala?
Abuja, the Yams, Lagos.
Okay. So should I expect your coming today or?
Then be first. The man sent her something.
Okay. Well done. All right, guys. Good morning. Thank you for joining my live video today. This morning I'm at my office. I'm trying to edit some videos here. So you can join me if you want to, and if you feel like staying around, you can stick around. Okay. So I'm trying to edit. Sometimes I edit too. So let me just do this live and then have you around, my fans. Follow me, bomber to bomber. So I edited this video, and the producer, she complained about some certain things. So I'm going to adjust them today. Let me know what you're doing this morning. If you are at work or if you are just somewhere chilling, you can write in the comment section, to let us know what you're doing this morning. All right? It will be fun so that we can have a discussion together. Let's see what you are doing this morning. If you're not doing anything, let us know so that we can find something to give you to do. Alright, after that I will upload this video for you guys to watch. My beautiful, great fans. My great fans. Now I was on the phone and then phone and blah man, I can't wake up. Yeah. Who threatening more? Well, so funny enough, the video is in my language. Who knows? I come when you back to your way. Once I get sure you what? How much here? Oh, they won't wish you to go. So I'm just trying to edit the video. You mean what was sure what was say something. Somebody should write something down. Yeah. So I know that people are watching me. You mean do what's it to where? Because if you have a good communication, yeah, you talk to me, I talk to you. We have a nice gist here. You talk to me, we talk together, we reason together. You know what I'm saying? So it will be nice. It will be nice and fun, yeah. To be very nice and fun. So if you are there, you'll say something. I won't comment this. So if you're there, just say something. Sometimes when you are editing, It's not good to make noise. So what is happening here? I shot this video and I was the one shooting, so sometimes I would take one long shot. So I have to turn the CUs and all of that. You know, sometimes I do this so that I'll cut and have some CU in my videos. So I edit it. Funny enough, I don't enjoy editing, you know. You have to sit. You have to sit, and then before you edit videos, you sit and edit, do some correction. So at times I feel so tired when it comes to editing, but at this point I have no choice than to sit and edit my videos by myself. I shot it, so I'm still gonna edit it by myself. So I'm just sharing my day with you guys, what I'm doing this morning, and I hope you'll find something useful. Because at times it's always good to share whatever you are doing with your audience, yeah. Like on this channel when we do lifestyle and stuff like that, and vlogging and all of that. So sometimes we have to show you people what we are doing so that we can carry you guys along with us. So that is that. So don't go anywhere. I'm still here, so stay with me. Let's enjoy this ride together. All right, I will be editing and be talking at the same time, so I'm gonna do a lot of talking this morning. So but sometimes I feel good when I see people watching me and they are commenting, giving me comment, and touch some likes, yeah, show some love to me. I appreciate it when you show me some love. You know, it makes me feel good. Because the video I'm editing, I need to put some sound, yeah. I need to put some sound to have that feel on my videos. So that's what I'm doing right now. That's what I'm doing right now. Because for everyone to see, I'm trying to see whether this video is playing. Am I not live? I'm live now. Let me see. Sometimes this, please. I want to get some stress, yeah. I have a beautiful day at work. I'm here, live and direct. So see, if you're watching this and you need to touch this thing, yeah, press here. Touch this. Show some love, all right? You see, comment. And if you have a question that you want to ask, so if you have a question that you want to ask, just ask in the comment section, and I will be here to answer you guys. So we are family, all right? This is a family TV where we discuss and we talk about a lot of things here. And why you're not saying anything? Why you're not commenting? Why you're not saying something? But let me ask you, when you want to edit videos, what do you do? Sometimes do you enjoy editing videos on your phone? Do you enjoy editing videos on your your laptop, your desktop. If you enjoy it, let us know how you feel anytime you are editing your videos. How do you feel? Do you feel good? Do you feel stressful? Do you enjoy it, or just feel like, well, let me just do it? I have no choice, so let me just do it. All right. So, guys, back to the video that I'm editing. Back to the video. I'm the one acting. I act and I edit too. I do so many things, man. Oh God, when you don't have enough crew. In this video, I was supposed to get other people to assist me, but they were not available, so I have to do this by myself. Can you imagine? So I'm trying to create some CUs in this video. So, guys, maybe I will not be talking that much, but please bear with me, all right? Please, because when you're on live video and you are keeping quiet, a lot of people, they find it so they don't even enjoy the video. They say, why am I wasting my time here? You know. So I have to tell you guys, because editing and talking at the same time.
Brother, calm down. Wait, can the same girl you know who that I'm interested? Another man is picking her phone.
So you can watch the video with me. Okay, let me do it the way that you guys can see what I'm doing. All right. Yeah, I think like this you can see what I'm doing. If you want to watch it. Oops. That's crazy. All right. So I think you can watch now. All right. So yeah, I think you can watch what I'm doing now. Is it bright? Yeah, I think it's bright. So.
And what do you know?
When I zoom this video down, the value will not be there again. So you guys want to see her see you. Did not do see you, did not do see
you. Yeah, brother, calm down. Wait, can the same girl you know? Who that I'm interested? Another man is picking her phone and wanting you know to call. From what I heard. Yeah, brother, calm down. Wait, can the same girl you know who that I'm interested? Another man is picking her phone and wanting you know to call. From what I heard.
All right. Sorry guys, this video is in my language, so local language, but it's just about a love story. A brother who is claiming to be a big man and trying to spend money on women.
From what I heard. What type of embarrassment? Respect yourself. yourself now.
Who for you know, sir? For no, you don't know that.
Is this the what I've been telling you? Is this the what that Shinini Pamolo? I told you yesterday now. I've been telling you, you know, I took almost like well, it means I choose one like overweight. You know.
So guys, just can I use AirPod so that I can be communicating with you guys? Because sometimes I just want to focus on the screen so that I'll be able to edit what I'm editing. So I'll try to use AirPod so that we'll have a good conversation while I'm doing this. Because I don't want to left you guys behind. I want us to be on the same page, guys. Let's be on the same page, all right? So I want to connect my phone to my Bluetooth, and let's see. So you can understand me, and I will understand you too. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I'm so sorry, but I was trying to connect my Bluetooth. So sorry, but I was trying to connect my Bluetooth. So. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? All right. All right. So I need to connect my headphones so that I'll be able to focus.
It means I choose one like overweight. Is this not what I've been telling you? Is this not what that Shinini Pamolo? Right?
So I wish I shot this video in 4K because all this stress I'm going through now. Because if I scale this video now, the quality is not there again. And
is this not what I've been telling you?
You see?
Is this not what that Shinini Pamolo? I told you yesterday now. I've been telling you.
Once I scale it now, the video will be quality will be too local. I don't like this.
Singing Pamolo, I told you yesterday now. I've been telling you, you know, I took for almost like well, it means I choose one like overweight.
So maybe people want to be seeing me. Okay. Let me put my camera like that so that you guys can see me and know who is talking to you. It not be as if you guys are talking with a ghost. You're dealing with a ghost. It's not a ghost. I'm a human being. All right.
Is it not what I've been telling you? Is it not that Shinini Pamolo? I told you yesterday now. I've been telling you, you know, I took for almost like well, it means I choose one like overweight. Calm down. I don't even know if I should laugh. You got your advice. I don't even know if I should laugh. Know if I should laugh. calm down. I don't even know if I calm down.
Brother, calm down. Brother, be calming down. Mm. Oh God, we edit something, we still come back to it.
Brother, calm down. I don't even know if I should laugh. You go.
Um,
Advice. You need advice. What?
Heartbreak. When people have heartbreak, they feel so bad.
You go advice. You need advice. What will place them? Wait, so you know, wait 25,000. Then 25. You want to 5,000. That means not 25. Are you serious?
Women and money. I don't know why women like money like this. You know the kind of connection women have with money, and they love money. When you give a woman money, they are always happy, so excited. They'll just be jumping, jumping, jumping. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you.
You need advice. What will place them? Wait, so you know, wait 25,000. Then 25. You want to 5,000. That means not 25. Are you serious?
Hmm. Now, when you edit and you are done with editing, you need to put sound, do color grading. You know, it's crazy. And to me, it looks like stress. But I'm editing this video because I don't have a choice, but I have to edit it. Ah, now after editing, cutting and doing cut and join them, I have to look for the kind of sound I want to use. Then calculating, I need to use my brain to get the right sound, to get the right colors. It's crazy.
Jesus Christ. So like 25,000 yen. What's that now? What's that? You have to make a maybe
So
yen. What's that now? What's that? You have to make a maybe 5,000. Okay.
it's calling me. Hello? Mm-hmm. No, I still there. I did. Eh? Drinking water? Yes. One wanna. So one wanna. Okay. Move over.